study finds plastic debris and man-made fibers in fish sold in market. Fish-eating trash found in our oceans. Scientists have long since predicted that plastic trash eaten by fish, crabs, bivalves, and other marine species are spreading through the food web. Now, the researchers from UC Davis and Hasanuddin University in Indonesia are reporting some of the first finding of plastic debris and textile fibers in fish on consumers' dinner plates. About a quarter of fish sampled from market in California and Indonesia contained the man-made fibers. According to the study published in the online journal Scientific Report, in Indonesia they found a plastic fragment. In California, a majority of contaminant consisted of fibers from textile. Variation in debris types probably reflect differences in local Western management strategy. According to the study, in California, 30% of solid waste generated by humans is discarded directly onto beach and into river and drainage channels, the study says. In California, there are more than 200 wastewater treatment plants discharging billions of liters of treated effluent just offshore. Plastic debris and fibers were found just in fish's gut. Therefore, humans are likely to ingest man-made fibers. Man-made debris. Only if fish is eaten whole. I still eat fish if it's sold in United States, said Susan Williams, a professor with UC Davis Bodega Marine Laboratory and the co-author of the study. That's because we fillet fish and remove their gut, so the likelihood of eating plastic and fibers is very small. An estimated 245 billion tons of plastic is produced annually around the world, according to industry estimates. That amount represents 17 parts of plastic annually for each of 7.1 humans on the planet.
7.1 billion
humans on the planet, said the scientists. The study raises concern about possible effect on human health from a cocktail of hazardous chemicals associated with plastic and some textile. In California, the researchers processed 64 individual fish across 12 different species. They found man-made fibrous material in 29% of drag's melt, 30% of Pacific anchovies, and 33% of Pacific oysters. The researchers were unable to confirm whether the material was made from synthetic material or natural fibers, such as cotton. Fibers collected that resemble the researchers' laboratory coat or that wear the same color of their clothing. On the day of analysis is discarded or not counted as man-made debris.
How